This beautiful container house is built around 3 shipping containers to create a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom container house with open plan living. The containers, from this view you can see they enclose an outdoor courtyard ideal for alfresco dining. It also has a swimming pool to enhance outdoor living. The house is elevated off the ground on a pier foundation. From this view you can see the interior of the house showing this alfresco outdoor sitting area. It has got bifold glass doors that open, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. The place shows an indoor living area that is awash with maximum daylighting, eliminating the need of artificial light during the day. This is a closer view of the lounge area showing a beautiful floor mat, a sitting couch, a glass coffee table, and 2 easy chairs that have a designer look. There's a console and also a wall art on this other end. This is an aerial view showing the layout of the 3 containers enclosing an outdoor courtyard with the swimming pool. The house is elevated off the ground. This is the main entrance from the parking area. This is the lot. I like this pond. This is another view of the pond and the compound of the house. The eucalyptus trees on the other end. Beautiful, beautiful master plan. This is a closer view of the kitchen showing the counter space, outdoor space. On the other end, storage cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. This is the general view of the living space showing the kitchen, the breakfast counter, the dining area. I like this set of glass windows that are giving nice view from every angle, and they also allow for maximum daylighting, creating an indoor space that is well lit throughout the day. This is a closer view of one of the bedrooms. It is well furnished, it is well lit, maximum daylighting, a maximum number of views, and what is there not to like on this particular view? This is a view of one of the bathrooms in the house, fully tiled shower area. There is a wash and basin, a big bathroom mirror. This is a view of the bathtub area next to the big glass window, directly accessed from the bedroom. There's a view of another bedroom with a lot of closet space. There's a big glass window for daylighting, a ceiling fan, and a wall-mounted bin split system for indoor thermal comfort. There's a view of another bathroom area. I like this rainfall shower head and the fully tiled glass shower cubicle. This is a view of the laundry space. What I like about this house is that every space is given a big window, enhancing daylighting and also cross ventilation. That is a very good design consideration. This is a view of another space with a direct access to the outdoor courtyard. This is the general view of the courtyard showing the swimming pool and the nice manicured lawn. A closer view of the rear showing the well landscaped space with the manicured lawn, and the elevated position of the house showing the pier foundation. You'll also notice these containers are slightly wider than your standard 8-foot wide They are at least a foot wider on either end. That's why you'll see from the inside the spaces look bigger than your conventional shipping container house. A lot of storage for rainwater harvesting. Nice pond. I like this pond. This is a view of the house showing the foundation. It is sitting on a pier foundation, allowing for at least the containers to sit away from moisture. So from this view you can see the possibilities of using shipping containers to build that dream house. This amazing house is listed for sale and is going for 865 Australian dollars. You can check it out using the link in the description below. What do you like about this container house? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this kind of projects or you like what you've watched up to this particular stage, feel free to give this video a thumbs up so that you can help us reach more viewers. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.